Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me. For you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this. A lot of hair in the nose. Oh, no. That's not what I'm going to introduce you. This here I'm going to introduce you. This is the ACC Work Nose Hair Wax. Wow. This is a mini wax nose wax set for man and woman. Oh, because it's portable and it is usable for all kind of people out there, which contains a little bit of, a lot of nose hairs. It is available in black on the market or in rosar. This pink. It's a portable nose hair remover. A nose wax set with a mini wax machine. USB fast heating and a constant temperature. Yeah, wow, that's cool. This nose wax device has a specially designed to save nose wax applicator sticks that only appeal to the visible long hairs at the edge of the nostril, without affecting the sensitive hair inside the nostril cavity. Extracts the nose and ear hairs from the roots. So we have a smooth generation that lasts for weeks. Really nice. This is a mini micro wax set. It's compact and lightweight and is perfect for on the go or at the home. It fits easily in a pocket or pouch. This allowing us for a comfortable waxing on the go if we need it. The device is really easy to operate, as you can see. And get a little bit wax pearls into the silicone scars, and then you are getting the USB to USB-C power cable, dock it into it, and wait 15 minutes, 10 up to 15 minutes. Then apply it to your hand to make a test, the nose extraction test. If you feel that it's not too hot, but it is liquid, it's the right time to use it in your face. To protect your beard against the wax, you can put a label on it. But on my, it does not fit. And then, of course, shake a little bit and get it into the nose. Rotate it a little bit while you're get it into the nose, and then let it there for, I think, 2 or 3 minutes. That's easy. That's ultra portable. And the ear hair wax set has an automatic heating function with 2 LED indicators. Red means heating and green means ready to use. The thermostat maintains the optimal wax consistency and to prevent burns or wasted wax. The nose hair wax set comes with 50 gram of wax. And then pull it out. Ooh, that was a little bit nice. Because there is the hairs are extracted from the nose. Really good. Back to the automatic heating function with 2 LEDs, folks. The thermometer maintains the optimal wax consistency and prevent burns or waste wax. We have 50 gram of wax, 20 nose wax sticks, 20 wooden sticks, 10 cleaning cloth, and 10 beard protection pads. Easy to save money and time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.